Hey, Grover, I think they've gone away.
You know, Bob, I think you're
It
right.
worked. Holding your breath worked. It got rid of your cat. Oh, Grover, it didn't work.
It didn't work, Bob.
What are we going to do, Grover?
I don't know.
Hi, Bob.
Oh, hi, Louise.
Hi,
What you
Louise.
Well, we're trying
Well,
to figure out...
I get that.
He's got the
Tell
hiccups.
him.
Hiccups.
He's got the
Oh,
hiccups.
wow.
We can't get rid of them. We just tried holding the breath. That didn't work.
Oh, listen, I got a terrific cure for the hiccups.
You have?
Yeah, you want to hear it?
Yeah.
Does it work?
Yeah, it sure does. Let me tell you. What you do is you put your head all the way back, as far as you can, right?
Yeah.
Put your head all...
Put it all the way back.
No, back further.
Right,
That's it.
right, now when you're back there, you say, "Go away, hiccups."
Go away, hiccups. That's
Yeah,
it. Okay.
it works.
Put your head way back.
Like this?
All the way back,
Yep.
right?
You won't think of my tummy.
No, no, no.
Okay.
No. Say, go away, hiccups.
Go away, hiccups.
Louder.
Louder.
Go away, hiccups.
Mean it.
Mean it. Come on, more.
Go away, hiccups.
Right.
Please.
Yeah, that's...
Yep.
It worked?
Yep.
It didn't work.
It did not work.
It doesn't work, Louise.
Hi, everybody.
That's
What you
hi,
doing?
Sure.
Hi, Grover. Oh, you got the hiccups,
Yeah,
don't
he's
you?
got a terrible...
know-
Hey, I got a great way to get rid of the hiccups. Always works. You use
You
this
do too?
right here? Well, see, you just drink some of this root beer right here.
Well, that's... That,
But you gotta hold your nose. Yeah. You drink and you hold your nose.
hold the nose while you...
Works all the time. Always works.
You mean
Yeah.
drink the root beer and hold the nose.
Right.
Okay, I'm so
heard of
tired. Bob, would you please hold my nose?
Oh, sure.
Here, and I'll hold the glass.
Thank you. Okay, bring me down to the glass, Bob.
Oh, right.
Over here.
Okay.
Don't fight me.
No,
Go down.
Okay, is that okay?
Okay.
There you go.
Hold your nose and drink. You're not drinking.
You're not drinking, Grover. Come on, you're not...
It's not
Up with the
gonna...
nose, up with the... I can't drink. Because I have the hiccups.
Oh,
But you...
I
Always
can't.
works for me.
It doesn't work for me.
oh, what are we
Hi,
gonna
everybody.
do?
What's up?
I, Richie,
Oh, he's got the
well, you know,
case of
I
the
got the
hiccups.
hiccups. Excuse me, Richie. Bob,
Yeah.
I appreciate this, but would you let go of my
Oh,
nose?
I'm sorry, Grover. Right.
I can tell, Grover, that you have the hiccups, huh?
He sure does.
Yeah, well, listen. You're lucky I came along because I have a sure cure for hiccups.
You too, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Well, this time, what you just do is
Yeah,
you hold your breath
yeah,
and you count.
yeah.
And you hold your breath the whole time while you're counting. And when you're done, the hiccups are gone.
That sounds easy, but well, how do I count while I'm holding my breath?
Yeah, that's kind of hard. How can he help? Oh, wait, I got an idea, Grover.
What?
You hold your breath. I've got an idea about the counting. You just hold your breath.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I will now hold my breath.
And now, take it away, New York Mets.